2019 Ford Edge, and we're gonna change the vapor canister vent solenoid, which is located at the back of the car. It attaches to the chocolate canister, and literally there's like no space to get it out. Let's see if I can take this one first. Just gonna get it out of the way. Uh, Once I got that, oh, all right. Did I get that on video? All right. So I guess basically what I did was there was the hose. This hose I took it out first so that I would have enough space. Then I get a little bit of this pry bar or whatever this thing is called, and push. Ah, it's a lot easier to access. Put the harness first. We'll plug it back in. All right, that's plugged. And then we're gonna install the solenoid. So it's gonna be facing downward. Make it a little bit slanted. Once it's slanted, and we'll I'll install this thing back later. It's very hard to manipulate it. Technically, it could go either way since there is no lock. Oh, all right. Ah, shit, that guy's back. Ain't that a bitch? So technically, I can install it like this. So I can have a better leverage. And to twist it. Yeah, I want to make sure all the O-ring is not busted when I installed it. I need a light. I need a light now. Yeah, the O-ring is good. Alright, that's how you do it. You pry it. You don't even have to twist it. Alright, get yourself one of these, and then you pry it. You just pry the solenoid. Pry this solenoid right here. Or we can go from this angle and pry it out. You don't have to twist it since it doesn't have a lock. And then you're putting it back. Just use this angle, get that leverage, push it in. All right. Good luck.